Welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is a subscription service. I've been trying a lot of new different ones. I love subscription services, guys, and lately I've been on one of those kicks. So this is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. So what American Influencer Beauty Bundle is, I'm gonna read you directly from their website. I got prepared this time, guys. I got prepared. So it says the AIA Beauty Bundle is the first ever bi-monthly subscription bundle, giving you exclusive access to influencer brands and products. Each bundle features a new influencer and their 5 to 6 full-size beauty products based on their passion and expertise, ranging from makeup, skincare, and hair care. So that's super exciting. This costs $34 every other month. So this is the first one that I'm getting. This is what it looks like inside. It says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. And then you get a card with the influencer on it. So the influencer for this month is Manna Kadar Beauty. So what it says is, hey Manna babes, I'm thrilled to be partnering with the AIA Beauty Bundle to bring you these products. Beauty Simplified is at the core of our company. I create products with you in mind to make your beauty routine easier. I hope you enjoy your Manna Kadar beauty goodies, as these are some of our favorite products. We want to see your looks, so please follow us and tag us. So this is the card. And then you get your beauty products in here. And in this one, we have 6 full-size beauty products, guys. So the first thing in here is a hydration happy face mist. This is so pretty. I'm loving the packaging on this. Look at all the rose gold and the pink and like the clear. This is totally me. This retails for $19 and it says skin loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula helps smooth and calm skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application. And I forgot to put a setting spray on today, so I am going to be putting this on my face. Oh, it smells great. It smells very like clean and florally kind of. It smells amazing. I like it. So that is our first product. Next product is a Luxe Lash Serum. And it says that lashes will appear thicker, shinier, and healthier. This is what that looks like. And this retails for $29. It says it's made with a non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set. I love the packaging on all this stuff. Next thing in here is a bronzer and blush duo. So this is called, oh, there's different steps here. Wait, let me see something here. Okay. All right, so this says step 3, perfect uptown bronzer and blush. This says it's a longwear powder split pan duo. Multi-purpose time-saving compact, can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and shadow. True. Features 2 textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth for easy application and glowing finish. Exciting. All right, so this is the packaging right here. And it has a nice mirror. And there's your blush and your bronzer. So nice. I'm gonna swatch. I like this. Shades right there. The blush is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Loving that shade of blush. And the bronzer. Which, yes, you can use as a shadow. So it's like perfect. If you don't want to take a lot of stuff, you can take this and you can definitely use this as blush, bronzer, and you can use it as highlight, you know, if you can use it as highlight if it looks good on you. You can definitely use it as highlight, and you can use this as a shadow color. So it's definitely multi-purpose. This retails for $24, guys. Next thing in here is an HD pressed powder. It says Press Perfecting Powder. Create a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long wear universal powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put all day long. Same packaging as the other one, and then it has the mirror, and then it has that. I hate the texture though. I have to admit, guys, I hate that texture. Like it just gives me, I don't know. I would have loved for it to just be smooth, but it'll definitely get smooth with use. So this retails for $29. Next thing in here is a Turn It Up Mascara. Good for a Mascara Monday. So it says, won't weigh lashes down, lashes appear fuller, and it's supposed to be a volumizing mascara. And this retails for $29. Excited about that as well. And then the last thing in here I'm very excited about, and this is a lip lock priming gloss stain. So it says built-in primer for a long wear and smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and stain. Interesting. Infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. This is in the color Sienna. I don't know if you can see that. I will definitely swatch. It retails for $24. Guys, this is a great box. You get all these full-size products. You get to check out all these brands that you don't know about. Ooh, pretty color. And it feels super nice and glossy and soft. I'm liking that. Beautiful. Very, very excited. So I'm excited to try the mascara on a Mascara Monday and to try out all the other products like a full face of makeup. That would be nice. You can definitely do a full face because you have the mascara, you have the powder, you have the bronzer and blush, which could also be used as shadow. I'm liking this. You have the lippy. Perfect. And if that wasn't enough, their boxes are absolutely gorgeous. Like this box is beautiful, beautiful. I can reuse it. I could put a sticker over this. But I mean, who doesn't like to get a box this beautiful in the mail? All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below. And I love you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this box. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and all of that stuff. All right, my loves. I love you guys. Bye, my loves.